welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be Today we are going to be rating goal horns. Man. Alright, here we go. First, elite goal horns, that's who this is. Anaheim Ducks. Yeah, and it's way too long. Alright, enough. That was terrible. Alright, well. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna rate Anaheim Ducks, to be honest. I hated everything about it. Well, not everything. The goal song and the goal horn was way too long, and it was way too low for my liking. Alright, next we got Arizona Coyotes. Wait. They'll be over soon. Wasn't too long. It wasn't too loud. The song's okay. Yeah, no. Alright. I like that one. I'll put it in a B tier because like, what was that? Alright, let's go. Oh, I probably should have just done this. Alright. Boston Bruins. It's not too bad. Okay. I loved it. I think... Okay, I loved it. I think it's a good one. So I'm going to put it in S tier because I love the song. It was pretty good. Alright. Now, Buffalo Sabres. It's quite loud. It's not too long. I'm not sure how I like the goal song. Alright, well, let's put it... I'll give it a B. Alright. Next up, we got... I don't even know this one. Calgary. Okay, well, we don't. Alright. I'll put that one in. I think that one was really good. I like the song. I'll put it in B tier. Next up, we got the Carolina Hurricanes. Oh, sorry. Well, wrong button. I like that one a lot. I'm personally from the Carolina Hurt, not from whatever. Alright. Well, no, not there. I'll put it in S tier. Alright. Now I can't think of their name. But yeah. Chicago Blackhawks. Alright. I'm personally putting that one in a D tier because that was just bleh. Alright. I personally don't hate that one, but like 4 goal horn things, and yeah. I think I'm gonna have to put that one in D. C. I meant Columbus Blue Jackets. It's way too loud. Kind of annoying. Yeah. I don't personally like that one. I'll put it in a B tier. Actually, nah, I changed my mind. C tier. That one wasn't so good. Well, it has like, it's kind of like, it's like there's another sound. Alright, I don't hate that one. I don't like the song, but I like the goal horn, so I have to put it in A tier. Next up, we got the Detroit Red Wings. I've heard that one before. That does not sound right. Alright, shut up, Oilers. You suck. Alright, Oilers don't suck. They're pretty good, but like... I need to see this. See, it sounds way different. I like it a lot. It's pretty good. Alright. I'll put it in A tier. Right with Alright. Oilers. It's quite loud. For that, I'm gonna have to end the. It's not really a song. I'm gonna have to put it also in B tier. Next up, we got the Florida Panthers. I think. I'm not sure. Oops. Boop. I didn't ask you to go off. Thank you very much. Alright. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I think, let me hear it again actually. I'm just kidding. It's quite loud. Barely have a song to it. I'm gonna have to put it alright, there. That'll do. Alright, next up we got the LA I forgot their name. Alright. Well, next up we got LA, so. Oh, the LA Kings. This isn't their horn, obviously. I'm waiting for it to go off. There we go. Alright. Oops. I don't like it that much. I'm gonna have to put it and also see. But I keep doing that. Now I don't want. Yeah. Thanks. But oh my god. YouTube went on my thing. There we go. Alright. Minnesota Wild. What's that siren about? I hate it, bro. I'm not even lying. Sounds so weird. It's not weird, but like. Yeah, D. Bro, I keep. Alright, here we go. The Canadians. Mario. Kind of sounds like it's supposed to be honest. Kind of sounds like it belongs. Okay. It's quite loud and obnoxious, but it sounds like it belongs, so. I'm gonna have to put it right in the middle, B. Bro, I keep doing this. Alright. There we go. Nashville Predators. It's kind of like the Dallas one. The Dallas one. It has the same effect, I feel like. I don't like the goal song though. I'm also gonna have to put this one in B. Next up, we got I can't think of the name. The New Jersey Devils. Oh, it's long.
Hey, why don't you guys invite me out for drinks?
We texted you in the group Alliance chat.
Oh, wait.
Alright. I like it. Like, I don't like it actually. C tier. Now we got the New York Islanders. See how this one sounds. Okay. New York Islanders. Nah. Yeah. Gotta put in the C tier, to be honest. Alright. New York Rangers. It's not that far. My cat's a rustic theme. Probably the wrong way to explain it, but yeah, it's weird. I don't hate it. Yeah, I'll have to go in the B tier. Ottawa, Charlotte. Okay. Not. Where did it go? Not like. I don't hate it. Still going in D tier. Okay. It's not bad. I like that. Whoa. I put it in the middle. Now we got is it the Pennsylvania Penguins? I'm not sure. We'll see. Pittsburgh. I knew it started with a P. It's not that bad. It's one of my favorite teams. Okay. I like it. It's not horrible. It's gotta go in there. I do actually want to redo the Carolina Hurricanes horn because, I don't think it sounded quite right. Because, it's a 2023 goal horn, and some of the goal horns sound different, so. It's like a ship. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'm not sure with that one. I like the dun 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 dun. I'm putting it in A tier. The Seattle Canada. Seattle. I know this is the biggest arena I've ever seen, but it doesn't mean I like it. It's it's a little too low for me. I'm gonna have to put it. Where did it? It's Seattle. I don't have Seattle. I don't think Seattle exists in this. Weird. I like it though. It's weird. Yeah. No, please. No. I cannot handle any more of that. No. Oh, good lord. Oh, God. I'm plugging my ears, bro. Tampa Bay. It's like... It feels like it's in it. I don't like it. Yeah, no. Toronto. It was history of Toronto. It's not that bad. Toronto's actually pretty good. I can't lie. Toronto's pretty good. They're a good team, too. I gotta put it all the way up there. Now we got Vancouver. Yeah, I don't know about that. Nah, bro. Nah. See. Now we got... I can't think of their state. I'm not sure if it's even a state. Vegas, Las Vegas. Golden Knights. I'm not sure I like this one. I don't like that one that much, to be honest. It's like plain.
How you doing, kiddo?
Good?
You doing okay? All right.
It's plain. Gotta put in there. Washington Capitals. You know, it's not that bad. You can barely even hear the music. Oh, I'll put it right there. Now we got one more. The Jets. I'm just gonna say the Jets. Oh God! It's like a train horn, man. It's exactly just a train horn. Yeah. Nah. Bro, I can't. Nah. It's going in C. It's going in C. And there you have it. Every single team's goal horn rated by me. I don't think I did a terrible job. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye-bye, guys.